your board game shelf keeps growing. But do you actually know which games you play? Which ones are still shrink-wrapped? Or who really wins game night? The Board Game and Tabletop RPG Collection Tracker keeps all of it in one file you own. It starts with your shelf. 1 row per game or rulebook, the type, how many players, how long it takes, how heavy it is, and what you paid. Type, complexity, and mechanic are all built-in drop-downs, so a new game takes about a minute to catalog well. After each game night, you add a row to the play log. Who played, who won, your score, and how long it ran. That's the whole habit, a row a game, and it's what powers everything else. Because from there, the workbook counts for you. Games owned, hours at the table, your win rate, your most played games, and the value of your whole collection. Every number is live, and nothing is left for you to total up yourself. The number that changes how you see your shelf is cost per play. A $90 game you've played 15 times is $6 a night, cheaper than a movie. And the dashboard names your shelf of shame, the games you own but have never played, so you can finally get them to the table. If you play tabletop role-playing games, there are 2 more tabs for you. One for your campaigns, the system, the sessions, and where you left off. And one for your characters, the whole party across every table. It comes with a Start Here guide, a game night playbook, and a printable log. It works in Excel, LibreOffice, and Google Sheets, with a one-click copy and no import needed. And it's yours. No account, no subscription, no app that forgets your shelf the day you stop paying. Find the Board Game and Tabletop RPG Collection Tracker at Ardent Workshop, one of many trackers for the things you love.